Travelers across River Oti at Dambai in the Oti regional capital have asked government to pay attention to the activities of the ferry operated by the Volta Lake Transport Company Limited, VLTC, at Dambai. According to the commuters, the services of the ferries are irregular and unpredictable.
People who travel across the Oti River described the experience as a nightmare, as they now have to travel on wooden outboard motorboats, which is sometimes dangerous. This is because the ferry that carries both humans and vehicles on the river has become irregular and unreliable. Management of the Volta Lake Transport Company Limited at Dambai say the major challenge has been a proper landing stage for the ferry. First Sky Construction, the company working on the Dambai-Kitikwache Road, is helping to construct a temporary landing stage on the side of the river at Dambai. However, the ferry operators face challenges on the other side. The Krachiwura Nana Mpra Besimuna called on the government to assist the Volta Lake Transport Company to resolve the challenges.
First Pantuno try 9 o'clock. Whereas before 6:30 now. Who can cry? Engineers here bridge. As you himself bridge, and you one day near the bridge. Jumpa. And the more modern to one. Meanwhile, yes, sir. Pantuno, VLTC, in names decentralized under you, Minjindi. But VRA, one more managing director, Wakusumu. The best, sir. So we need managing director, no? So we friend. So we go, but me Philisa o friend Mumwa. Okay, yeah. No, I'm a friend Pantuno.
The Oti regional minister also elaborated on some of the activities.
We are not going to be selective or discriminatory in the distribution of areas across the region. We will ensure that all areas get what they deserve.